Now question of the day, a block placed on a horizontal surface experience force as given them. Now find the frictional force applied by the surface on the block and acceleration of the block. Okay, so first of all make free body diagram of that block. mg work on always downward, so 2 into g. If considered 2g is 10, then that is 20 Newton. For simplicity point of view, we have considered g this equal to 10 meter per second square. So 20 Newton downward. After that, normal force applied by the surface on the block, that is N1, represent like that one. Okay. Now next target is that is 10 Newton with horizontal 37 degree. Okay. So component of 10 Newton in this direction and in this direction. This one written 10 cos 37. Cos 37 is 0.8, so that is 8 Newton. And this one is 10 sine 37 and sine 37 is 0.6, so that is how much? 6 Newton. I hope so clear. Now frictional force always represent like that one, always on opposite direction of driving force. Okay, now next target is net force in y direction is 0. Why? Because of this block is not moving in y direction, that's why. So 20 in vertical direction, downward direction, 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, this is equal to upward direction force N1 plus 6. So N1 is how much? 30 minus 6, that is 24 Newton. N1 is how much? 24 Newton. I hope so clear. Okay. That is 30 minus 6, that is 24 Newton N1. Now next target is recheck again. Here 20 plus 10, 30, and here 6, and here N1 plus 6. Okay, clear. Now next target is determine FL, and FL means limiting frictional force. That is mu s into N1. Mu s is how much? 0.1, and that is 24. That is how much? 2.4 Newton. That is FL. What about FK? Mu k into N1. Mu k is 0.09 into N1 is 24. So what about that value? Simply you can say that 24 into 0.09, that is 2.16 Newton. Okay, that is limiting frictional force. Now if what about driving force? 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, if driving force is greater than limiting friction, then block is moving in positive x direction. Look here, 8 and 8, that is 16, and limiting frictional force 2.4. So 8, 16 is greater than 2.4. It means this block is moving along positive x direction. Okay, it means acceleration of the block is not 0. So apply Newton's second law, f of x, this is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, now we have considered acceleration of the block A, okay, A in positive x direction. According to Newton's second law, unbalanced force 8 plus 8, 16 minus Fk during motion, which frictional force act? Kinetic friction force. So that's why written Fk. This is equal to mass. Mass is 2. Acceleration is A. So what about A? 16 minus Fk. Fk is how much? 2.16 divided by 2. Then what about that value? Simply written 16 minus 2.16, okay, divided by 2, that is 6.92 meter per second square. That is acceleration of the block. And what about frictional force at that time when block is moving? That is kinetic friction. That is how much? 2.16 Newton. Okay, so final answer is Fk 2.16 Newton. Acceleration of block is 6.92 92 meter per second square. I hope so clear. Make it.